Hello everyone, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mac. This is the wireless Apple CarPlay for BMW NBT system. This is the power cable, the Wi-Fi antenna, USB cable, and this is the LVDS. In the accessory, we offer a wire diagram for this unit. And here, this is the BMW NBT display, the radio head unit, and the iDrive. Now, I want to show you how to connect this CarPlay box to the BMW NBT head unit and have a demo. Also disconnect the power cable. Okay, this is the power cable. This is the female connector. And this is the original connector. Here, you can take a look. Please notice, if your original power cable have the optical fiber in this port, you need to move the optical fiber to this hole. So the optical fiber can continue to work as before. Because this connector don't have optical fiber, so I just connect it. Okay, this is the male connector. Connect to original power cable here. Connect the power cable. Wi-Fi antenna. Because it is wireless Apple CarPlay, so you need to connect this cable. This is the video cable, LVDS cable. Okay. Of course, I connect the USB cable. And another thing is the setting here, toggle switch setting here. You can see this is the toggle switch setting. Because the original display here, it is 6.5 inch display. So we just can switch the 1 and 2 switch on. The other is turned off. Then we'll be okay. Now we power on. Okay, it has power on. This is the NBT menu here. You can take a look. Hold this button, menu button, for 2 seconds. It will get into the Apple CarPlay main menu here. We try to connect the wireless Apple CarPlay, the first one here. This is the iPhone. The first thing is to turn on the Bluetooth here. Okay. Turn on the Bluetooth. And here, if you search a CarPlay kit here, the name, click it. Okay, pair. Allow. It says turn on Wi-Fi and use CarPlay. Yes, turn on. So we can see the Wi-Fi is turned on. See, it have get into the CarPlay menu here. Then we'll be okay. This is the menu for the CarPlay here. You can use the iDrive to operate the CarPlay menu here. Here you can see, and exit here, and we'll back to the CarPlay main menu here. Here, there's an icon, exit. One thing very important is that you have to choose the external device here and choose AUX here. If not, there's no sound in CarPlay mode. I want to make a demo for the Siri. Contest.
Who would you like to call?
Call David Deng.
Calling David Deng. Mobile.
See, it is okay to use the Siri in the map interface here. I want to search address. Then I can press this button. Hold this button. KFC.
One possibility I see nearby is KFC. One department store branch on F1 to 2, Sezunbeo Mansion, number 301, Zijing Road.
Okay. That's very convenient to use the navigation by Siri. AirPlay is the mirroring functions, while Auto is Android Auto. USB, camera, setup, language. You can see they have other language here, and display, audio, reverse. If you install aftermarket back camera, you should choose aftermarket here. Here, there's an aftermarket here. Here. Okay.